Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and welcome to Tips and Techniques Tuesday. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you would like to purchase any of these Stampin' Up! Products, just go to marytroutner.stampinup.net. Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today I'm going to, and it's Tips and Techniques Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you a new product that's in the Occasions catalog. It's called the Brusho Crystal Color. Now, they come in 5 colors. They're not Stampin' Up! Colors. This is Prussian blue. Let's get this down a little so you can see these. This is Prussian blue. Gamboge, which is an orange, brilliant red, mossy green, moss green, and yellow. Now, how you use these is a little bit different. They're crystals. If you are familiar with the Brushos, you'll know what they are. If not, you will probably, if you ever had the H2 watercolors or watering and stuff like that, there are a few things that you need to know about it. First of all, to open it, you're going to take this off. Now it's supposed to come off. Let's try another one. Here they go. Oh no. Okay, here it goes. So that comes off. So what you're supposed to do is just take some push pins, and what you're going to do is you're going to put holes in the top of these. Okay? Now, thankfully they're water-based, so they did come off pretty easy. But what you want to do is, they're like a water color. Now I got them all over, So what you want to do is you can do one of two things. You can take these out, and you're just going to sprinkle some on. And then you can either use a sprayer, or you can drop water off of your Aqua Painter. Look at that. You can also take your Aqua Painter, just like a watercolor, or you can start, that was not, that, okay, and I got these, and then you just put your push pins back into the holes, if you can see them, to store them. And I'm going to do the orange. But first of all, I'm going to just spray a little bit there. Put some dots down here. And then, yeah, and everything is that. I'm going to shake out some of the orange. Now, in January, from January 1st to 10th, this is going to be my Let's Explore class. So I want you to take that. We're going to be doing a couple lessons in how to use these and doing cards with them. And again, you can see we could spray some more. can also just take your Aqua Painter, or you can even put down some more coloring. So this is the basics of it, and I'm going to have to really clean up here. That does not come off. So, for Tips and Techniques Tuesday, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.